All right, double checking this list before anything gets cut. Looks solid. Almost there. Feels solid. All right, crack the valve, apply the soap, check the seal, looks good, no bubbles. Time to light it up. The end grain heats faster. Look at that immediate change. Quick pulses protect the corners. Now it's ready. Looks like the grain and texture are holding perfectly. Time to cool it down. Time for them to cool now.
Nu är de bästa i Saudi och nu den ju har gått en night. Digging somewhere's more in that stuff and made day and there's that.
The edge is drinking that finish right in faster than the face. But see here, near the knot, it's taken a little unevenly. Got to work that spot. Thirsty there, near the knot. Yep, needs more oil.
All right, first one done. Looks good hanging there. Get the next one ready.
The third piece I'm doing now, I'm going to leave the grain relief a bit more pronounced. A bolder topography on this one. See how the texture here is sharp?
All right, measure twice, cut once. That looks just about right. All right, just like that. Yeah, perfect, ready.
Yes, this hidden fastening makes all the difference. Clean, uninterrupted Shou Sugi Ban, ready to show.
Looks sturdy. Let's see how it holds up to water.
So you can see it beads right up. Nothing gets through that seal. Just like it's supposed to.
Well, that's better. Almost nothing.
The depth here looks more organic. Let's see which one the clients prefer. This is it, the moment of truth. Raw cedar, carbonized and sealed. Perfection. Okay, now let's clear up and move on. The sunlight shows the grain much better out here. This piece needs just a bit more oil right here. I think it's ready. All right, that's it. Looks perfect. All right, one last look at where we started. Then we'll put this away.